Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook vermicelli cold dish. It is Chinese Sichuan flavor, a little bit spicy but very tasty. Hope you will like it. First, prepare some Chinese vermicelli and soak it in water. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes for the vermicelli to be ready to cook. Meanwhile, we can cut some tofu skin into strips. Prepare the pan and boil the tofu skin for 2 minutes. This is because tofu skin has a smell of sour soybeans on it, and boiling water can remove the smell. Put the tofu skin into a bowl and add the vermicelli into it. Now prepare some coriander. Cut it and add it to the bowl. Prepare a cucumber. We just need this much for today's dish. Shred it and add it to the bowl. Prepare a carrot. Shred it too. Add some fried peanuts. Now we need to prepare the sauce. Mash some garlic. Prepare some chili and cut into small circles. Now cut some scallion. Add half spoon of chili powder. Prepare the pan and heat some oil. Add the hot oil to the sauce. Hot oil will bring up the flavor of everything. Now add 1 spoon of soy sauce. 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half spoon of sugar. Don't forget that we also need 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Pour the sauce into the food we prepared just now. Mix everything. I think we need a bigger bowl for this. Mix everything well and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.